Starting route to Safeway. Proceed to Marine View Avenue, then turn right.
Navigate to San Francisco Airport.
Just a moment. One option I see is San Francisco Airport Marriott Waterfront on Bayshore Highway in Burlingame. Let me know if you want to hear the whole list. Turn right onto Marine View Avenue. Hello.
Send message to Mark Simpson.
Went from Mr. 305, Dade County, to Mr. Worldwide, all around the world. And now, we're international.
Call 866-345-3535.
Just to confirm, you'd like to call 866? Calling 866.
57. Your call cannot be completed at ...